They called him my royal pet, but he became the guardian of my crown.
Eternal reign, your majesty. To peace in our kingdom.
Oh, what has gotten into you?
Danger! Danger! Ridiculous bird. Taste it.
It's poison!
Varin, what treachery is this? Majesty, I was framed! Guards! Seize him! You saved your king, brave one.
A parrot with the heart of a knight. And so the story spread Kay, the bird who guarded the throne.